Coming! Coming!
Okay. Who are you?
My name. Name is Mgbeke. My mama village. He sending me. He coming, he doing cleaning, working. Husbanding. Husbanding. Wifing. He coming from abroad. Up here? America. My mommy sending me. Cleaning.
Okay, hold on. So, if I get you correctly, what you're trying to tell me now is your mom or my husband's mom sent you to come here, right?
One! Oh yeah.
Okay. This is going to... let me go get my husband, okay?
Sir, good morning. Well done. Dalo.
Here she is.
You say my mom sent you here?
Oh yeah. My mama is sending me, coming here, he cleaning everywhere. My mama is telling me so.
Why would my mom send you down here without consulting with me? That's unbelievable. It's preposterous.
Huh?
Where's my phone?
Stores.
Okay. Sit. I'm coming.
Hey! Lele. Look in this woman. He's wearing Mbenuku. Ow!
Mom, how could you do it now? Did I ask you? How could you send that girl from the village now? If I needed someone, all I needed to do was just go to an agency here and they will give me someone. You know what, Mom, you know what? I can't even deal with this right now. I'll call you later, okay? Thank you.
Honey, you know she might not be that bad. Eh? Let's just give her a chance.
Are you serious? Baby, did you see that girl out there? Did you see her dressing? I don't even want to talk about the way she speaks. That girl is a waiting disaster.
Oh, honey, come on. We need all the help we can get. And she might be of help too, okay? See, besides, this house is too big for me to take care of. So let's just give her a chance.
Okay, but know this. I'm letting that girl stay because you asked. Okay, so if anything happens, don't blame me. You will take all the blame.
It's okay. Thank you. You're the best.
Kind of girl.
Don't worry. I'll handle her. Let's just give her a chance. Okay, this doesn't sound good. Girl! Where's this girl?
Hey, Madam.
Okay, first we need to change your name, okay? Because the Mgbeke or whatever doesn't sound good, okay? So henceforth, your name is now Becky, yeah.
Huh?
Becky will okay, yeah.
Go no. Madam, biko. Mama, he give it me Mgbeke. I reckon it. You know changing it. You know changing it at all. Biko. My name Mgbeke. I am not Becky. Mba. Lie.
Yes. Whatever. Like I said, henceforth, your name is Becky, whether you like it or not. Okay? I'm not going to call you that name. Okay. Meanwhile, I want you to go in there and prepare breakfast for I and my husband. Okay?
Okay. I cooking very, very well. I cooking. Everybody dashing me ego. I cooking up my. Sorry. Mgbeke, I cooking.
Please get going.
Delicious. Oh, Becky, Mgbeke the cooker. Mgbeke the good cooker. I's #1 for my village. I cooking Meridias International Supi. Hey! I's #1, no. I's cooking, no. Okay, chill.
What's the meaning of this? Becky? What is this?
Madam, Biko, name Mgbeke. I don't know him, Mgbeke. I don't know him that one. You telling me I'm making breakfast now? Then breakfast now, eh?
Hold on.
You
You expect my husband and I to have this as breakfast? You expect my husband to eat this thing before going to work this morning?
Madam, village, we eating, we chopping gari, we chopping apple, we chopping everything, anytime, any day. He making you, he getting energizing, energy. You going you getting strength. You going work. Chop. Chop.
This is unbelievable. I'm definitely not having this. You know what?
It's okay. I think I'll just have it.
Huh? I'm definitely not eating this. No way. And you? Go in there and get me pancake and fresh juice. That's what I'm having as my breakfast. Are you there for something?
Madam,
get out of here!
Pancake.
It's actually not bad.
Huh?
Yeah. I can't believe it.
Whatever. I'm not eating this.
This is my madam, and Shakala, na 5 and 6. This woman, But now which kind name be Liodi? Waiting be Liodi? Liodi? I mean Liodi. I know Kuku no. I hearly not that name. What is Obodo Yibo women? You do you know international. You doing super. Wahala woman. The writing plenty problem. Writing and plenty. He saying I doing banqueting. I know knowing food then calling banqueting. All these Oyibo people, Then chopping food. Ewu ne eat. Ewu ne eat for virgin. Yes, now. We are bringing pancaking. Eh? Which kind of wahala be this? I tiring for this woman. I tiring for her.
Why the face? Yeah?
Can't you just postpone the journey for today?
Hey, come on now. You know I have to work. I need to put food on our table.
I know, but the house is going to be boring.
But you have Mgbeke now.
Don't even go there.
I know. Come here. Just miss you too, okay?
No. Okay.
Be good.
Take care. What's the meaning of this?
Madam, you telling me I'm preparing pancaking? I'm pancaking.
Oh, goodness me. Becky, you're getting on my nerves. I ask you to prepare me pancake. Pancake. What I mean is pancake, the one with flour. You mix egg, sugar, salt, mix it together and fry. Not pancake, the one you use on your face like a powder. No, that is not what I mean.
Now the one that they love you for. Sorry. I don't know now, madam.
Just get out. Take this in. Get out. Get out.
Ah! Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Oh! Pancake.
This woman. You don't know him, yo. You don't know him, Mgbeke. She telling me I giving him a pancaking. I pancaking him. He shouting, he complaining. Eh? You saying, Mgbeke. I know Becky. Madam, I know Becky. I Mgbeke. I know Becky. Eh? You don't know him, yo. You don't know me. He go in my virgin. He asking of Mgbeke. Me, I strong well. I strong. I give him a one quiet one. She dying. He's doing Oyibo. I enter toilet. That day. I die, you know. I see doing Oyibo. She say what? She did what? Oh my God.
Honey, come on. This is not funny, okay?
Oh
like, seriously, how can someone give me a face powder as pancake? Like, seriously, who does that? Huh.
Babe. Oh my God. Honestly, I would give this just to have seen that your reaction. The way you reacted when she gave it to you. Christ, that girl is a character. What? She's a big clown. Hey. But in her defense, she can actually cook.
She only knows how to cook local dishes. And you know I love my intercontinental dishes. So tell me, what then happens if I want something different from local dishes? Hey. Like seriously, just I don't understand. How can someone act and behave so local in this age and time?
Hey, babe, just give her time. All right, she'll catch up.
She better do. Let her catch up fast, quick.
At least she cooked you something, no? She cooked you pancake.
Pancake is face powder. Wow! You serious? Of course you know, baby. I missed you more. No, now, baby. You know the house is so boring and nothing is here. It's just whatever. Man, I can't wait to see you, my love. Yeah, I'm sending my hug and kisses. I love you. Okay, baby. See you. Bye. What is it? Are you done?
I couldn't.
Yeah. What is it we're having for lunch?
Madam, I cooking akpu na ofe onugbu.
Oh yeah. I'll see you later.
Allo. Hey! So, Madam is a cheating nwanyị. Mgbeke, I swear him. I know telling my oga. If I know telling my oga, Mgbeke, you no good. Cha. Mgbeke, I telling my oga. Say Madam is a cheating nwanyị. Allo, to fear. Good morning, no. I want telling you something.
Mgbeke, whatever it is, you can't wait. Or you know what? You need to be fast because I have something very urgent to attend to at the office.
Ogamu, if you hearing waiting, I telling you. Hey!
Mgbeke!
Ogamu, sorry. See, Ogamu, you know believe it? Waiting, madam, he doing. He making a phone call. He calling baby. He kissy.
What?
Baby.
What? What did you just say?
Madam, he cheated on you. Yes, he cheated on you. He calling, he saying, baby, I miss you. I kissy, I ravi.
Are you sure about this thing, or it's just one of the nonsense that you always cook up?
Ogamo, I never cook, you know. When I cooking, you come back, you eating better food, I cooking nuts.
You know what? When I come back, I'll deal with it. I have something very urgent, like I said.
Okay, I see you also.
I've heard you. Yodis cannot be cheating on me. It's not possible. We love each other. I provide her with everything she needs. So why on earth would she be thinking of cheating on me? Could it be that Mgbeke heard wrong? Is she really cheating on me?
You didn't tell me. Oh. Yes, can you just stop? But you know I love you. No, I love you more. Stop now. Stop, baby. I'll call you back. What is it? Is something wrong with you? Are you mad or something? Can't you see I'm seated here? Or better still, go and come back and do your cleanings.
Madam, fire day mountain. Fire day mountain. You didn't hear you calling. Who you there calling? Eh?
What are you trying to say? What fire? What mountain? What are you trying to say?
Oh, Igbo people. He talking say, the way you put in your bed, now so you lying on top.
I see Agnes. Becky, can't you for once try to communicate in a good sentence so that one can actually understand what you're trying to say?
Chile. My name, Mgbeke. I know we know nothing. Mgbeke. You know be in my name. Madam, you not lie at all. You not lying. You not lie. Oga is loving you. Plenty. What you doing? You calling everybody. You calling I loving you, baby. You not lying.
I see you're mad. I can see you're losing it. You know what? I don't want to go back and forth with you. Just get out of here. Leave.
I going. Oh, you more people. He talking say again. He saying one day for the onyoshi. When onyoshi tiffin. One day in for tiffin and one day for the ownership. One day in for the tiffin. One day in for the get out.
What is this? What have I gotten myself into? Honey, is everything okay? Or did you have a bad day at the office? You've been ignoring me. Did I do something wrong? Or did someone make him angry at the office? What's going on?
Ogamo. Chopping, ezigbo better fooding. Mama is telling me you're liking it, chopping it,
Mgbeke, can you just serve me food and just go? Okay, don't make noise. You're disturbing me.
Ogamo, sorry. No versing, no madam. No versing for madam. Chop, oh. I wash him handy, washing it off. Liya, it's written, chopping and forgetting your solo. Oh, thank you. Dalosa.
Honey, you've been ignoring me. If I've done something wrong, we should talk about it, okay?
Oh my God. Ambiodis, please, I had a long day at work. Can I just sleep?
But honey, I don't know.
Oh my God. Should I just leave this room for you?
No. It's fine. We'll talk about it in the morning, okay? Good night. Baby, please, can we just talk about what is bothering you? Please, let's talk about it for once, okay?
Are you cheating on me?
What?
I asked you a simple question. Are you cheating on me?
God, I'm so angry with you right now. To ask me such a stupid question if I'm cheating on you. Well, to answer your question, no, I am not cheating on you. And where did you get this information from?
Well, it's not as if I expect you to say yes, you're cheating on me. But then, I got the information from a reliable source that you have this lover person that you talk to on the phone when I'm not around.
I cannot believe this. I can't. Baby, you know I love you so much with all my heart. And I can never ever cheat on you. Where did you get this information from?
That's not important.
No, it's important to me to know how you got this information.
Well, Mgbeke told me.
Huh?
Yes.
Mgbeke?
Yes.
And you believed her? You believed they made over me? Huh. Ferdinand, I am disappointed in you. Just go. Just go. You do you, me, I do you. You do you, I do you. You do me, I do you. Mgbeke, you do me. Ouch! 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 Madam! You slapped me? Huh? Yes, I slapped you. So you have the nerves, eh? You have the effrontery to lie to my husband? Eh, Becky? Madam! I not Becky. I not Becky. I Mgbeke. What are you doing? You slapping a big girl like mom. I will slap you again and again. Look at you. All you do in this house is just go around, sleep around, eat my food, and lie against me. I simple English you cannot even speak. But you know how to construct lies against me, right? Lying that I have a lover. I'm not lying. Madam, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I hearing you. Are you thinking I don't know you? I hearing you. You calling your baby. You love me. You kissy. I love you. I hearing you, madam. You're such a big fool. You are a fool, and a fool you will remain. Now let me tell you something. I was actually talking to my cousin because I haven't seen her in a long time. Hey! Madam! Rhino Zumba! Yes! Rhino slapping me everywhere. I strong. You slapping me? I strong. But I thought you dying. I not lying. I hearing you. You calling? You baby. You love me. You missy. I hearing you. You know what? You're just a waste of time. A big fool. Actually, waste of time. I can't even stand here and waste my energy on you. I don't even know why I'm here explaining to a big fool like you. But now listen and listen good, okay? The next time you lie against me, that will be the day you kiss your job a goodbye. Do you understand? You slapping me. You know knowing I slug. You slapping me. Slap. Your hand bendy. Eh? Me. More. No. I stay here. I balancing. I going nowhere. Mama is bringing me. I going nowhere. Nonsense. Solisa,
what's wrong with you?
No person. I cooking. I hearing again. We dancing now for village. It's meeting me. Chai, Obia, what's it? I begin the dancing. Solisa.
Honey, this is getting out of hand. No, tell me, what if we hadn't come back here?
God knows what would have happened. What is this?
You want to burn down the whole house?
Mba. Sorry, sir. Sorry, ma. It not happening again. It not happening again.
Sorry for yourself. Just get out.
No. Sorry, ma. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Hey.
How was she even able to set this up?
I don't know.
Mgbeke. You two they doing anyhow. Eh? See now, I even this potting now, he burning. Eh? Where I see him money, he buying another potting. How much my oga he paying me? I spoiling this potting. Eh? I bunny every she. I want bunny this housing. I beg you. This is my madam, eh? That's a woman, he wickeding. He wickeding. He shouting, he too shouting. Becky. I know Becky. I know Becky. I see Mgbeke. Huh? But this music is too sweet. It's sweet well. I dancing. I forgetting my solo. Forgetting everything this woman is doing me for this housing. But I'll respect myself. I'll respect myself. I dancing no more. No wanting problem. Hey. Wahara.
Oh, goodness me, baby. I don't know what is wrong with this girl, Mgbeke. Eh? Her excesses are becoming too much.
Yeah, babe. I know. I know the girl can be a handful. But let's be patient with her. She's hardworking.
No. She lacks manners. Okay? She can't even do anything right. And it's beginning to get to me.
Babe, the girl can cook and clean.
Really? Anyways, her days are numbered in this house. That's for sure.
Relax.
Chai. Mama Kedu. I dey fine. Mama, this city life good well. Your pikin na collect man. Mama, I liking my job. I liking it well. Mama, your pikin na collect person. That in wifey. That's one. A bad person. I know liking am. They do supri. Too much. Mama, talking to your pikin, make he talking to that in wifey. That in wifey he get plenty problem. Mama, talking to your pikin, make he talking to the wifey. Mama mo. Okay, mama mo. Ngano. Bye. Oh? Chai. Mama mo.
Yeah, baby, do you remember my cousin Nelly?
The one in the UK?
Yes. So she got into town. So she's requesting for her to come and spend some time with us. And I said yes. Hope you don't mind.
That's cool. I mean, she's family, isn't she? And any of your family members is definitely welcome into our house.
Oh, aren't you so sweet? Thank you so much, baby.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh, God. Where's this girl? Becky!
Oh, come on now, babe. Her name is Mgbeke. Mgbeke.
Oh, whatever. Even you cannot even pronounce it. Say it again.
Mgbeke.
But you wanted to say Mgbeke.
Hello, Mgbeke.
Mgbeke.
Mgbeke. Mgbeke, yeah.
Becky. I prefer Becky.
Mgbeke.
Becky!
Mgbeke.
Becky, were you deaf? Didn't you hear when I was calling you?
Madam, I'm not hearing you.
How would you hear? Anyway, that's by the way. I want you to prepare me Caesar salad and roasted chicken, okay? My cousin is coming in from the UK and that's one of her favorites. Can you do that?
Madam, I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing what you call, you know. You saying, Sisa. I know hearing waiting be Sisa. I know hearing, I don't know, you know. Huh?
Becky, Caesar salad is common. In fact, it's very common everywhere. Okay? Very easy to prepare.
Madam, as I doing like this now, I want knock a better ugu soup. If I knocking am now, you go liking am, you go eating am, you go forget your solo.
Are you deaf or something? Are you deaf? What is wrong with you? I said I want Caesar salad and a roasted chicken. Do you understand? Else, you will kiss your job goodbye.
Madam, sorry, no verse no. I know you roasted though. I know it's not knowing Sisa. Waiting I using doing the Sisa.
No, come and use my hair. Or probably use my head. I don't care how you do it, just get it done.
Which kind problem woman be this? Waiting be hey, Ekpere Amaka, I call in Ekpere Amaka for village and telling me waiting be Sisa. I go call in Amo, waiting be Sisa. Hey, Sisa.
Becky! Becky! Oh, this girl. Oh, God. I'm coming.
Without you.
Oh, you can say that again.
You know what? We have a lot of catching up to do.
You can say that. You can say that again. I'm here for you.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Wow.
You do know what? When you called me that you were in town and you're coming over, oh my heart there.
I had to come. I mean, it's been a while. It's been a long time.
I
So.
understand.
Yeah. What about your husband? Where is he? It's been a minute.
He stepped out.
Oh, okay.
He will soon be home. Okay?
Right.
But first, let me get you settled and
Fine
then get
by
you
me.
something to eat.
I missed you.
I missed you, my girl.
God,
Come, let me take you to your room.
Oh,
good to have you.
Wow.
Good to have you, yeah.
Madam, I don't settle your food.
I know.
I'm really starving.
Come.
Enjoy it.
I want you to come here. Get us a glass. Come here.
What's this?
What is this?
Madam, you telling me I play playing says I don't remember no. I know we getting akwụkwọ nni. I gada you know now. Sharp Mgbeke, I sharp well. I say you know gada. All of them joining in. Saladin, don't let it.
You are a fool, Becky.
Madam,
did you hear me? You are a very big, fat, bushy, local fool with nothing in your head. Why do you choose to embarrass me like this? Why?
I'm not embarrassing you. You telling me I'm making you salad.
Get out! What type of local girl is this? What is this?
Don't worry, it's okay? It's fine. We'll eat out. Don't worry, my treats.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine, it's okay.
I'm so sorry. I don't even know what to do with this girl. I do not know. Becky! Come back here! Take this thing you call whatever you call it. Take it and clean it. Okay, here.
Madam, I know liking this clothes, you know. I know liking them. I liking my own. Well.
Can you hear yourself? So you mean to tell me this thing you're putting on, this rags, is what you're comfortable with? Huh? Look here. I'm giving you these clothes so that you can change and up your game, okay? So you can start dressing well. The reason why I'm giving you these clothes.
Madam, you see in my village, me, Mgbeke, I be the bestest fine dressing clothes. Na me.
Becky, this is not your village, okay? This is not your village, this is city. I'm giving you these clothes so that you can start dressing well and up your game. What is wrong with you?
Madam, you looking down on me well. I know liking am. You looking down on me well. I know liking this clothes, you know. It is this one. Chinese people, they naked in everywhere. I know liking am at all.
So you're comfortable like this? Eh? You're so difficult. What is wrong with you? So you want to remain bushy and local like this?
Madam, I cooking for kitchen, no. My food. I coming back later. Biko. Yeah. Come on, look at Lele.
I beg your pardon.
You beg Guinea. Wait, you see, yeah. Well, what are you wearing? For married man house?
I can see you're crazy. Are you crazy? How dare you speak to me like that? Do you know who I am?
Hey, I know you now. I know you. That junction. I know you. Opage. I see in it with your eyes. You get a plan. You won't collect my madam oga. You wearing opante.
Are you mad? Are you crazy? Stop touching me.
Yeah. Okay. What's this? Going inside. Kita. Bia eba siso. Going inside. Kita. Going inside. You changing this lazy and opante. You going
your hands off me.
You going inside. Oh yeah. You going inside. You going inside. What's this? Go changing. What's this?
Sis, you needed to see how that local girl embarrassed me today. She practically dragged me inside to go and change my outfit.
What?
For what?
She did that to you?
Don't even know. She says what I'm putting on is inappropriate. Can you imagine?
What effrontery. I don't even know what I'm going to do about this girl. The only reason she's still in this house is because my husband loves her cooking.
Sis, I don't know, but you have to do something about it though. You have to do something about it because I'm not liking it. I don't like it.
You know what? How about I start by taking you out?
Now you're talking. That's the
know
bribe
you
I'll
like
take.
it. I know you silly girl.
Sis.
I'm so sorry,
No,
okay?
It's fine, but you just have to warn her. I don't like it.
I'll do. Becky,
Madam.
so you think you are in a position to scold my cousin on how she's dressed?
Madam, you see him waiting your cousin wearing. You beating and beating am. Your cousin, he wearing a pante and blazer. He wakaling, he shaking. I know fitty dayin for this housing. Person, you coming, you taking my madamu husbandry. I pursue her inside in. I pushing her inside in. I say, oh yeah, shh, go inside. You changing that clothing.
And how is it your business? No, you tell me, how is it your business? Oh, you think that everyone is going to dress in rags the way you do? Now you listen up. It's called fashion. Because you obviously do not know what fashion is.
Madam, you insulting me, oh. You insulting me, I no liking am, oh. I doing you goody, oh. I no liking am. You coming from averaging. More. Mgbeke, I number one. I blessing. I blessing very well. You see me from my village, you dashing me all your money. You see me, all the fine boy, they lushing me.
You, with this thing you're wearing called rags. And now you listen, it's not dress. It's called dress. It's called rush. It's not lush. Shut up. You're too local and bushy. What's wrong with you? Now you go. We're going somewhere.
It's no going.
Oh God, what am I gonna do with this girl? What? Why are you this local and bushy? Huh? Let's go, we're going out.
Madam,
You think you have a choice? Go, get my bag. Let's go. Deborah. Okay, please quickly come. So this is my maid I was talking about. Okay, please quickly have her hair washed and change her style. Okay, I want to go there and pick something.
Madamu! Biko. Leaving my hair in alone, I'm not changing my hair. I'm not changing my style, Leaving me alone,
Becky, you need to change your hairstyle so that you can look presentable.
Madamu! I'm number one in my village. I'm not changing my hair, Leaving my hair, I'm not changing my style, I'm not changing. Leaving me, everybody, make una gather, make una consider my madamu. Leaving me alone,
Let's go.
Leaving me. I'm not changing my style, I'm not changing. Open. I'm not changing them. I'm not changing.
My goodness, you guys need to be there to witness the way this girl was just screaming, throwing tantrums all over the place, simply because she cannot change the hairstyle.
Sis, that girl is a clown. Like, where on earth did you guys get her from?
Courtesy of my mother. I don't know. She bundled the girl and packaged her from the village.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
No wonder she has been acting and behaving like someone from the bushes.
You can say that again.
Sis, that girl is a whole lot.
A whole lot, my dear. I have asked my husband to send this girl back to the village. But no.
Hey.
Only God knows what she sees. Oh.
Hey, come on now. The girl is not that bad. Yeah, I agree. She has a terrible sense of style. But let's not lie, that girl can cook. And we both know what they say about Igbo men and their tummy. Yes.
Okay, she can only cook local delicacy. She can't even make my own kind of food. Don't forget that.
Babe, just give her time. She'll learn.
When? Till when? Like, you keep giving her time, but no, she can't even change.
Okay. You know what? Let me make this up to you ladies on behalf of her and my mother, right?
Okay.
Let me take you guys out for ice cream.
Oh my God,
Are you serious right now?
I've been craving for an ice cream since. I can't wait.
Good.
You know what? You know you're the best husband in the
best
whole wide
ever.
world.
Let's go get changed.
The naked in going, following. What they calling it? Jogging. That one. He wearing a pante. He opening a beret. He opening a baki with a splong nyash, you know, shaky. Yeah. Looking her. That one. Unyala. Property for husbanding. He carry Ogamu property. He showing everybody. To fear. Hello na nde sitting in women. Me. Mgbeke. I never wearing or pante na blazer. Hello. Property. Only the mama. If visiting it. Dala. Nonsense. Yeah, you this girlie. Hey!
What's your problem?
Looking you. Waiting be quarreling of your problem.
Wait. Are you talking to me?
Lele. Looking you. Akwana. Wearing blazy and opante. You want correcting my oga. I know when you're typing. Looking you. You naked, you know. You naked. You know it? You naked.
Look. Mgbeke or whatever they call you, I need you to stay out of my business. Stay out of my business, okay? I can dress however I want. It's my life and none of your concern. So my dear, you're in no position to talk to me about my style. Okay? Do you understand? I mean, Have you taken a good look at yourself before talking to me about how to dress?
Mgbeke dissenting. Mgbeke dissenting. Lele. Akunana Junction. Akunana Junction. Leaving this house. Leaving this house. Leaving this house. You see you? I pity you. I pity you. You leaving this house. You leaving this house. Ochako Omaka, you leaving this house. Mgbeke, betting me. You leaving this house.
You know what? I will not stand here and watch you rant. When you have a sense of style, then you can speak to me. But for now, stay out of my way, rubbish.
You pushing me, I beating you. You pushing me, I beating you. You pushing me, I beating you. Aka, I eating apple, I beating you. Onyushi water.
I'll miss you, sis.
I'll miss you too, sis. So much.
But you know you can stay longer, right?
I know, but you know I can't. I already made plans prior to my coming here. I know me now, I'm a globetrotter. So I already planned a destination ahead.
It's fine, I understand, okay? Just go have fun.
Sure.
And don't forget to come back anytime soon.
Trust me, I won't. So, say me goodbye to your husband, okay?
Sure I will, okay?
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too,
Bye.
okay? Oh, why don't I go drop you off at the airport?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. I would love that.
No, don't worry. It's just a second.
Sis.
Let me do it.
Thank you. I'll miss you.
Oh my God, I'm gonna miss you so much.
Betty! Betty!
Where's this girl? Where's she gone to?
Becky! Becky!
Jesus Christ! Mgbeke, what are you doing setting up firewood in this place?
Ogamu, welcome. I say you make a knocking you better banga. Go raking up. I cooking and welly. You see, the one they cooking for firewood, I swelling it too sweetie.
So, wait. What if I had come back with visitors? Who even told you could do this here?
Ogamu, you coming down. Your brother too hotty. Come in.
Hey, look here. You better scatter this thing and dismantle this nonsense you put here by the time I come back. Don't I didn't tell you.
Honey, do you know this girl? I've been searching for this girl all over this house. She was nowhere to be found. Not knowing that this girl has a mission in this house.
Mgbeke,
Ogamu.
let it be the first and the last you try something like this. If it happens again, if you do, you might as well just pack your bags and go back to the village.
Mba. Ogamu. Sorry. No vex, Mama Mu, you telling me you liking a banga. So I cooking banga.
But couldn't you cook the banga rice in the kitchen like you've been cooking since?
Oga, bam. Hey! Puta! Oga, the one they cooking for firewood is sweeting well. If it to say you finish, if I cooking this thing, cooking banga finish, if it to say you allowing me, I swear, hey, you go biting your hand.
Keep quiet.
Sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself.
Sorry.
It's okay, you can go. But make sure it doesn't repeat itself.
Thank you, Ogamu.
Honey, in fact, you're so gentle on this girl. I do not like it.
Just allow it.
Yet again.
That reminds me, babe. I'll be hosting a couple of my colleagues from the office today. Can you help me supervise Mgbeke to make sure you guys prepare something for them to eat?
You mean tonight?
Yes, please. I need everything to be spot on, so please, it's very important to me.
Okay, babes. You have nothing to worry about, okay? I've got you.
I trust you. You know you're the best.
I love you too, baby.
Thank you.
Becky?
Ma?
I would like you to prepare me your best dishes today, okay? Because my husband is expecting some guests today.
Okay. Madam, what you meaning by your bestie? That's not knowing that one, no.
Is something wrong with you? Must I explain myself each time I want to communicate with you? It's fine. I want you to prepare me, let's say, oh yes, Chinese dish today. Yes, Chinese dish. Okay? So just get it done. Let it be the best of the best.
Chinese what? Madam, Chinese what? We there in Nigeria, you wanting me I cooking a Chinese in? Madam, this thing you know good, you know. Madam, chere. I cooking no for her. I cooking no for nugu. I cooking egusi. Okay, Madam, chere. I cooking my bestie otazi. And apple.
Shut up! You fool! Now listen and listen good. Do not embarrass me today. Do you understand? Do not embarrass me today. Do not prepare any of your local dishes. Those useless local dishes you call dish. Never. Do not try it with me. What I want today is Chinese food. Period. On a car. I do not care how you do it. Just get it done.
Chinese what? On a car. Chinese car. Ha. Chimo. That one, see my madam is scattering my brain. It's scattering my brain. Huh? It's scattering my brain. We are singing Chinese in. What are you doing? I don't know in Chinese in. Huh? I don't know in Chinese, I don't know it now. Bam! Yes.
I do not understand, Fezna. What is going on here?
Becky!
You give us lizard to eat in your house?
This must be some kind of a joke. When you insisted on bringing us to your house instead of the restaurant, was it to mock us? Becky! Becky!
What exactly does this look like? This is unacceptable, Ferdinand. Let's get out of here.
This girl.
Have you guys seen the level of embarrassment you guys just caused me? What would it take for the two of you to join hands and make something presentable for me?
I don't understand, honey, why you blaming me? Instead of you to blame this incompetent big fool here.
Oh, madam, it's you! It's you! You telling me, Mgbeke, you cooking me Chinese. Mgbeke, you cooking me Chinese. I told him, Ekbenamaka is saying, Ekbenamaka from village. Ekbenamaka is saying, Chinese people, they're eating lizard. They're eating crocodile. I catch you lizard. I giving you Chinese.
You know what you are? You a big fat fool. That is what you are. Get out!
Mgbeke, get out here before I say or do something that I will regret. Get out!
Solid.
Baby. Oh, baby, I'm so sorry. I didn't know Becky was going to ruin everything.
I'm so disappointed in you right now, Leodis. Yes, I don't even have the words for you. I begged you. I told you to assist this girl. So how are you my wife if you cannot do these little things?
Wow, I see. So I'm only worthy to be called your wife if only I cooked for your friends.
And
right?
so, what's wrong with that? No, tell me, what's wrong with that? Why can't you do the little things? As a wife, why can't you do them? These small things, why?
Okay, it's fine. I know you're a bit angry right now, okay? When you're calmer, we can talk about it.
Just look at that.
You're happy, right? You're happy for embarrassing my husband and I today.
Madam, I telling you, I know Sabi cooking Chinese in. You telling me, Becky, you cooking Chinese in.
Who is calling you Becky? Are you mad? Cooking wasn't not the reason why you were employed here in the first place? Huh?
Madam, listen am now. Listen with me, no. Listen with me, eh? You is woman, I is woman. You supposing cooking your husbandly food. You supposing you taking care of your husbanding. You living everything for me. I doing everything. I do you
must be mad. You are a fool. I do not blame you. Oh nah. I do not blame you at all, Becky. Oh yes. I think going soft on you was the reason why you speak to me in such a manner. But never mind. Your days are numbered here. I will deal with you.
Seeing this woman is a pretending. She pretending. You not knowing how to cooking Chinese in. You want putting her for a Becky head. Becky, you cooking Chinese in.
You know, I'm not comfortable with this cheat code you're asking me to use. Honestly, man, look, cheating is cheating. And right now, I am cheating. Alright, and I'm not comfortable with it. Well, what if I get caught, bro? No, tell me. How do I get myself to explain to anybody? Who will believe me? I can't explain to anybody, not even my wife. What would I tell her? You know what, man? Let's just talk about this later. Alright? Yeah. Right. What if I get caught, bro? No, tell me. How do I get myself to explain to anybody? Who will believe me? I can't explain to anybody, not even my wife. What would I tell her?
Ogamu. Ice Mgbeke detective in. Ogamu, he praying away marching. But why all these immense? They cheating. Why they cheating everywhere, every time? Ogamo, imalin, madamo, if I knew well, if I knew, even my madamo, cheating, oh my madamo. I's getting evidencing. Ogamo, you know denying. I's getting evidencing. I showing him Peperito. Ogamo. I's cheating. I's opening your nyashin. Wow. Madam, I feel talking to you.
Becky,
Madam.
if you want to talk to me, you have to speak proper good English so that I can understand what you're trying to tell me. Okay?
Madam, no verse, you know. I speak it to the one I speaking. I knowing I speaking.
So what is it?
Madam, I want telling you something. See, you see me, I be good person. I telling you waiting I noticing. No be asiri.
Oh, Jesus
I just
Christ.
want telling you.
Jesus Christ. Becky!
Madam.
If you cannot speak in the next 2 seconds, just leave. You get out.
Madam, this thing I want telling you. I know you know believing me, so I recording it. Ngwa. Kenti.
Cheating is cheating. And right now, I am cheating. Alright, and I'm not comfortable with it. What if I get caught, bro? Don't tell me. How do I get myself to explain to anybody who will believe me? I can't explain to anybody, not even my wife.
What's the meaning of this? Where did you get this from?
Madam, you asking me who I asking? See, like I telling you, Oga, he praying away much.
Wait? My husband is cheating on me? Huh?
Sorry, eh? Sorry. Oh? Sorry.
Just, you can go. I want to be left alone.
Ma blinking biscuits for me.
Get out!
Sorry.
Husband? Cheating on me? What?
Welcome.
Mgbeke, what is it?
Ogamo. Fire daying mountain, no.
What did you mean? Where's my wife?
Nothing. Now I singing. Long. Fire daying mountain.
Where's my wife?
Ogamo. Madam, you daying inside room.
Okay.
Emeka, Kaliam.
No, don't worry. I will carry it inside myself, okay? Okay, why do you want to follow me?
Nothing, no.
Oh my God.
Who is she?
Who is who?
The whore you're cheating on me with. Who is she?
Can you hear yourself, ladies? Is this your way of welcoming your husband after a long and stressful day at work?
Oh, you think I'm joking, right? Ferdinand, I know you're cheating on me. And I have my evidence to back it up. I know you're cheating on me.
Okay, this is ridiculous. What is this? Can you hear yourself speak? What evidence do you have?
You want me to show it to you?
Yes.
Come with me. Come with me. Come here. I want you to play that recording.
Madam, you see?
I am ordering you to play that recording now.
Hey. Okay. I blink in my phone.
Cheating is cheating. And right now, I am cheating. Alright, and I'm uncomfortable with it. What if I get caught, bro? No, tell me. How do I get myself to explain to anybody? Who will believe me? I can't explain to anybody, not even my wife.
So what do you have to say?
Well, first of all, you. That was a private conversation. You had no business eavesdropping on us. Not to talk of recording it. You know you could lose your job for this.
Oh, she's going nowhere. You get caught and you're trying to make it her fault? Seriously?
Babe, it's not what you think. I was having a conversation with my colleague. I just developed the software using a cheat code. That was it.
What?
Look, babe. I love you so much and I will never cheat on you. This whole thing is just a misunderstanding.
I thought...
You thought wrong. You know what, let's go to the room and finish this. And you, we'll revisit this conversation.
Hey! Chike! Mgbeke! You putting your mouth in for nothing not concerning you. You know minding your business. Hey! Chimo. Hey!
Honestly, baby, I need to teach this girl a lesson. This Becky of a girl, I need to teach her a lesson.
Her name is Mgbeke.
Or whatever her name is. You think, look at that girl. She thinks she's the boss of this house. Huh?
What are you on about now?
Don't worry, just leave that to me, okay? But right now, I need some sugar. Just come and give me some sugar, okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
What?
Mgbeke.
Yes,
Okay. Oh, you're eating already?
Yes. No time to waste.
Wow. What is it? What? Hi. What is it, baby? Huh? What happened? Pepper and salt? Together? Oh, so sorry. Drink it up.
Mgbeke!
Yes!
Come.
Oh my God.
What's the meaning of this poison that you served me?
Do you understand?
Oga, I don't understand, you know.
Drink more.
Test it.
Yes, test it.
Oga,
I said test it!
Test it! Look at you. Drink more water, drink. Oh my baby. Sorry, baby. Sorry. So sorry. You see, I'm so sorry.
Oh my God.
Come here! Becky, come here. Come here. What is this? What happened?
Oga, I swelling to garden. I cooking this food in welly.
And Becky, you know what? Take this poison that you called food out of this place. Look at you. You see your life?
And
Look at yourself. Eh? Instead of you to concentrate on the matter, on the business that brought you here, but no, you keep snooping around to matter does not concern you. Look at it. Look at what you gave to my husband. Poison to eat. Take it out.
Yes, and I hope
Take
it
it out.
doesn't repeat itself.
Yes, of course.
Oga, I swear, I cooking this food in welly.
Get out of my face with this rubbish. Get out.
Take it. I'm sorry, baby. You see, you keep just complimenting this girl. Eh? Look at what she gave you. You keep saying, oh, she knows how to cook.
Yeah,
Look at it now.
Babe, but it wasn't as bad as that one you did the other time. This one at least hasn't sent me to the hospital yet. Now get out!
Oh, okay, sir.
Becky! Come here. What is this? You burnt my husband's clothes? Huh? Do you know how expensive this clothes is?
Madam, I swelling God. I know burning am. I swelling.
Oh, I see. I'm lying. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Perhaps I'm the one that burnt it myself.
Madam, I'm not talking say you lying now, eh? I know burning am. I swelling, I know burning am. I doing this thing. I don't know.
You know what? I don't even want to talk much. I'm going to deduct this from your next month's salary, so you know. Okay?
Madam, no be me, oh. Madam, no be me. I'm not doing this now. Eh? How much should they pay me when you want deducting the thing now? No be me doing this thing. No be me doing this thing.
Mgbeke!
Eh? Why are you shouting? Is he dying? Eh?
You must be stupid. Why is there sand on my couch?
Car.
Couch, my chair, my sofa, this chair, why is there sand on it? Oh, so you're saying now that I don't know what I'm seeing? What is this? Oh.
Oga. I'm cleaning everywhere. I don't know you waiting. Oga, I swear, I cleaning everywhere.
Mgbeke, it looks like you're tired of this job. The job is stressing you, you want to leave.
Oga, I cleaning everywhere, where? Now person is putting this thing here. I swear them. I cleaning everywhere.
Mgbeke.
Ogamu.
Mgbeke.
Ogamu.
Mgbeke.
Ogamu.
How many times that go? Figure it out and be good.
Sorry, sir. Now who doing this thing now? I cleaning everywhere. Now. Eh? I sweeping this house, oh. I sweeping this house, oh. Huh? Now who doing this kind of thing now? But wait, oh. I see him, madam, when she coming out. You surely no be madam doing this with him. I suspecting na madam. Okay, she wanting my oga to pursuing me for this house. Oh. Okay, na her planning. Oh. She planning and welly. Okay, I knowing I go do something. I so well him. I go do him. Okay, I go showing him. Saying she thinking na only she playing the game. 2 person be praying and well. I go showing them for this housing. I go showing them something for this housing. Make she not worry. I go in. No. I'm doing something.
Wait. Help me and make hot tea, okay? Where's this girl with the tea I asked her to get for me? Eh? Come in. What took you so long now?
Sorry. Madam, what is it? You doing okay?
Come. Test it.
Ha.
No, come. Test it.
Okay. Madam, I'm not linking to you.
Test it.
I'm not liking them. Madam, ask him mamu for village. I'm not drinking tea. I'm not drinking now.
My God will punish you. Becky, my God in heaven will punish you. Yes, because you know exactly what you're doing to me in this house. I am sure of it. My God will punish you so well. Take your stupid tea and get out of here.
Sorry.
Get out! You useless, stupid, no for nothing.
Sorry.
Honey, I know what I'm saying. This girl has been responsible for all the misfortune that has befallen me of late.
But it's all your fault. You started it. I don't know what you were hoping to achieve with all of that.
I know, I just wanted to teach her a lesson so that she can just leave our house on her own accord. But instead, she just became vindictive.
Oh well. Since it has already happened this way, just let it be. Just let it go.
Whatever.
Anyways, Tyler said he'll be visiting us.
Oh, wow. When is he coming? I've missed him. So when is he coming?
See, your best friend of mine. He's coming tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
I know you're just jealous of our friendship. Oh, yes. Look at you! You're looking so gorgeous, Looking so muscular, cheesing up.
Come on. I can't say you're left out now. Look at you. I've really missed you, sister-in-law.
You can say that
You're looking so nice.
Thank
Come
you
on,
so
give
much.
me a...
You're so kind.
You guys should not forget that I'm here.
See, don't mind my husband, yeah? He's so jealous. Pay him no attention, okay? Look at you. Where are your luggages? Don't tell me you're leaving so soon.
No, they're inside the car.
Oh, really? Becky! Becky!
Madam!
Oh my God, look at you. Becky! Oh my word, look at what's here. Ahead.
Becky, are you okay?
Yes, Oga. Yes, madam.
Please don't mind her. I want you to go to my husband's car. Get Tyler's luggages and take it to Boy's Quarter, okay? And when you're done, I want you to come set the table for us to eat. Fast! Go!
You're so
You
good.
too!
You're doing a nice job, I must say.
I mean, what can I say?
I can't let me hug you before you
No,
die of
wait a
jealousy.
You liking it?
Wow, this meal is nice. I haven't tasted such in a long time. It's really second to none, I must tell you.
Oh, trust me. Mgbeke deserves Chef of the Year award. The girl is so good. Like, if you taste her locally made dish, bro. Local dish. The girl has magic fingers. Like,
In fact, say less. It's obvious, man. This meal is something else. Little wonder you are glowing.
bro.
Or do you think I should take her with me so that she can be pictured?
Oh, yes!
No, don't you go there. Mgbeke is mine.
Oh, what am I?
Hey, come on.
Do you think we should ask her? Mgbeke, how about you come work for me? I'll pay you 3/4 whatever my friend is paying.
Hey, go in.
Eh? You're going where? Come on, she's all mine.
Guys, what's all this now? You guys are just going crazy. What? This is just food. It's just food. Besides, I can cook more than her. What's all this now?
Hear this. No, you're getting it wrong. It's not just about the food. It's actually the
Good food.
Yes. So, Mgbeke, will you come with me?
Yes.
No, please, bro. Stop making my maid
To be
uncomfortable.
fresh now. Come on.
Okay, so what will happen to me?
You have this.
Mgbeke is not my wife, she's my maid. My chef, she cooks.
It's fine. Let's just enjoy this meal. Mgbeke, how are you?
It's fine.
I perceive some aroma. I could tell you're cooking up storm again.
I no cook storm, you know. I cook afang soup. You like it?
Yes. I love my local dishes. You know, I don't have time to always get them often, but when I have the opportunity, I don't joke with them.
Tyra, you liking it? I cooking afang soup for you.
That's very thoughtful of you. Thank you. So, tell me, Mgbeke, do you have a man?
Mgbeke no man, you. Tyra, I smile knowing man.
You're joking. You mean all the men around you are so blind that they can't see how beautiful you are and your skills of cooking? Don't worry. You'll get a good man very soon.
I'm waiting for Tyra.
Tyra is waiting for you too.
Oh!
He's
waiting! Tyra is waiting. Mgbeke is Robin.
Mgbeke, this is more than enough. Thank you.
Ogamu Tyra. You wanting all the fooding? I giving you everything.
That's thoughtful of you. You, this girl. I know your plan. You want to get me fattened up before I leave this place, isn't that?
Mgbeke wanting taking care of Oga Tyra.
Come on, stop calling me Oga Tyler. Tyler is fine by me. After all, we're friends, aren't we?
We friends?
Yes, now.
Okay. Mgbeke liking Oga. Okay. Mgbeke liking Tyler very, very much.
And Tyler likes Mgbeke. You're very funny and kind.
I'm giving you all the food, you know. I'm bringing more.
It's fine, thank you. Just allow me to eat. Huh? Thank you. I know your food is going to be wonderful.
You liking it?
I love it.
I'm bringing the pot in.
No. Mgbeke, what's this on your face?
You liking it? See, I doing this makeup for Tyra. Tell me, I looking fine?
Yes, it's fine on you. It's fine on you.
Tyra is liking my makeup Hey, you see it? I'm not knowing if you're liking it though. I doing it for Tyra. Tyra is loving my makeup Everybody go knowing say Mgbeke done alive. I doing chakala everywhere I go in. Tyra, you know you collect, eh? You collect. You na collect. So I giving you proper food. I washing my hand. I cooking. I giving you sweetie food.
Okay, just go back to the room.
You like
It's fine on you.
Hey, Tyra, you liking my makeup Hi, this one is sweetie yo. Tyra.
Becky, please, I want you to... What is this? What sort of makeup is this?
Madam, you're liking my makeup
told you I'm liking it. Do you know what you look like? You are looking like a village masquerade. Look at you. Go and wash off that stupid thing you call makeup.
Madam, you pretending. You liking my makeup in. I find it really, really. Tyler, you telling me say I find it really well.
Will you just shut up? Just look at what you're saying. See, I am giving you this minute to go in there and clean this thing you called makeup before going about embarrassing my husband and I. And listen up. Tyler will never have anything to do with you, you village twat and village clown. Get out of here! Imagine. Goodness God.
My rod, I blanket it. I make it special delicacy for you, Tyler. Oga, no give her more. No give him my Oga.
Mgbeke, so now you now give Tyler special treatment in my own house. You forgotten who pays your salary.
Come on. Don't tell me you're jealous. Mgbeke, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay? Thank you.
You wanting anything, you calling me, I blanket everything. He did in this house, I give it to you everything, eh?
Okay. Thank
Oga, no verse, because
Mama, let's eat, man.
No, it's fine. It's
Come
for
on.
you. She brought it specially for you. It's okay.
Are you mind? Come on, let's eat, man. Don't do that, come on. Fine girl. Mgbeke, do you know you're so beautiful? I've fallen in love with you already.
Lily, I love you too.
I feel the same way for you. You compliment me. I want to really spend the rest of my life with you. Can I kiss you?
Yes! Kissing me. I imagine. Why this thing no be true now? Why this thing no be true life? I love him Tyra. I love him plenty.
Honey, have you noticed something different about Becky of late?
Something different. How do you mean?
I mean, she's putting in a lot of effort in her appearances. And also, she's now humble and respectful.
Well, honestly, yes, I did notice it. And I was surprised. But why do you think she's putting in so much effort though?
Why? Tyler, your friend, of course. I think she's in love with your friend, Tyler.
Are you serious?
Oh, yes, I know.
Mgbeke and Tyler. Who would have thought about that?
Honestly, I'm just gonna sit and watch to see how it all unravels. I want to see the end.
What did Mgbeke and Tyler do? Such a weird combination.
You get? Let's see how it ends, though.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah.
What in God's name do you think you're wearing?
You liking it? You liking it? I say I dress him fine like madam.
Come on, Mgbeke. You know, I think this is a little bit too much. How about you? You go take them off.
Yeah,
Okay.
Ferdinand is right. You should just go inside and change, yes?
You liking it? You don't liking it? Telling me now, I dress him fine for you. Tired you.
I know. Okay, you know what? Just go inside and take some of it off. And prepare us your specialty so that we can have dinner.
Hey, okay, I cooking very well. You know, Inabi. Okay, I cooking ofu onubu. Okay, you liking it? You liking it? You liking it? Okay, I coming. I coming. Okay. You liking it?
Bro, I need you to be honest with me. What's going on between you and the maid?
Mgbeke, your maid. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. What could be going on between me and her? Come on, man. I didn't expect you to think something like that. There's nothing between me and her.
But have you seen the way she looks at you? The special attention she gives to you? Bro, that girl thinks she's married to you.
Come on, man. You should know me by now. I can't stoop so low now. Yeah? I can't. There's absolutely nothing between me and her. Huh?
You're sure? Because what's up with all the flirting and the attention you've been giving to her?
Bottom. I'm just messing around, man. I'm just messing around. Come on, you should know me now. I be Tyler. How can they see me with that low life? That commoner. Village charm. Oh boy, no, now. Come on. I can't be seen with her, man. What makes you disgrace me? Please. Forget it. I just declare.
Yeah, I just had to ask.
Mgbeke, is my special food ready? Mgbeke, what's wrong with you?
Mgbeke, Iroka. Mgbeke, you not going to school. You cussing me. I hearing everything. You doing me, I be mumu. I not getting sense. You doing me, you treating me bad because you know you're not liking you.
I'm confused. What are you talking about?
You're confusing. I hearing you. I hearing everything. I hearing you telling Ogamu saying Mgbeke, I village, I roku, I don't know anything. You're doing me because I liking you.
Mgbeke, listen to me. It's not what you think. It's not.
Mgbeke, you doing okay? Mgbeke, you doing okay? I don't love you again. I'm going back my village. I'm going back my village. You treating me bad. I'm going. I'm not loving you again. You leaving me. I'm going where people loving me. You not loving me. I'm going. for letting me staying in your big house. Thanking you for giving me work. I'm working everywhere good. Thanking you.
Mgbeke, why does this feel like you're telling us goodbye?
I want going village. I belong for village. I go in my village. I going back school. I go school. I finish it secondary school. I finish it my basic. I enter in secondary school.
Wow. That's wonderful, Becky. Wow. See, each and every one of us, okay? We all need education. But why go to the village? Why? You can stay here. Oh, I see. It's because of Tyler. Okay, look here. You don't need to worry, okay? He's gone and he's not coming back anytime soon, okay? So you can stay here as long as you want.
Tyler is telling me too. I needing going village. I'm making my village people proud.
That's impressive, Mgbeke. Yeah, I will have you know that anything you need, you can always reach out to us. Anything at all.
Thanking you, Ogamo. Thanking you, Madam. Madam, I want to show you something.
You want to show me something?
Yes.
What is it?
Come in. I'm showing you. This one. You use water. Wash them. Well. You're washing them, Washing them. Then Aki, Pamkanem, or Manu Igbo. You use this one, you cook. Put them for here. You pound them. You could do very water. This one, put them one place. This one, you're washing them. You put them one place. This one, you pounding. This one, you pounding. You put in one place. This one, it's smooth. Ogili. This one, you cooking ede. You're not using this one. You cooking rubbish. This one, you making food is sweeting. You hearing me? You carry this one. You commoting them. Yeah. You see this one? You commoting like this. This one, he bitter. It lower him. You carry this one. Put inside food. Very easy. You saying everything I showing you. If you cooking this food like that, I swear, using correct ingredients, everything is sweet. Your husband, Glenn, he pleasing you.
Wow. Becky, thank you so much, okay? Thank you so much. I'm going to do as you said, okay? But if I get confused along the way, I hope you don't mind if I call you.
You calling me? I think it.
Oh my God, it was.
I say,
yeah.
hello, Madam Momo.
No worries, so it's fine. It's quite interesting, okay?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Anything.
It's okay.
Okay. So I cooking this one or you cooking this one?
No, you cook.
No, you cooking this one.
No.
Madam, you cooking this one.
But you'll be here.
Yes. I watching you.
Watch me.
I watching you.
Okay.
And you're cooking.
Let's go.
You're blinging pot.
Alright.
You're blinging pot now. Biggie pot.
Yeah, pot.
Pot. Madam, your house, you don't know where your pot is.
This is pot.
Madam, I'm missing too.
Yeah, it's okay, Mgbeke. Don't forget to let us know if you need anything.
I know forgetting.
Good.
Mgbeke, I'm gonna miss you, your trouble, your drama, everything. And don't be a stranger in our home, okay?
Madam, you calling me Mgbeke? Hey, Madam, I'm missing you. I'm missing you.
You be good.
Bye.
All right. Take good care of yourself, okay?
Bye.
Make us proud too.
And when next I see you, no more I going, I coming, I smiling, I flying. Bye.
And change your name from Mgbeke as well.
Becky! Don't forget the name I gave you.